I can remember getting started in business some years back for the first time, in network marketing. I can remember people telling me it wouldn't work out, telling me I wouldn't be successful as my own boss. I wouldn't be successful as an entrepreneur. I wouldn't be successful in that thing, that scam thing. I remember those days of people telling me discouraging things, people telling me what's gonna happen, what's not gonna happen in business. And the lesson that I learned, a life lesson that I learned early on, is that when you're on a path to greatness, you can't listen to negative people. When you're on the path to creating and accomplishing something big, you can't listen to those around you who may have a small mind, who may be thinking small, who may be thinking discouraged, who may be thinking in a defeated way. But you're a queen, right? Or a king. You're a champion. And you're on the path that you're on as an, entrepreneur, small business owner for a reason. You were chosen for a reason. So, I say that to say this. Get around some people who are headed somewhere in life. Get around some people who have a vision, people who have a goal, people who have something big they're trying to accomplish. Because when you're around those kinds of people, they're going to give you the inspiration, the motivation, and the encouragement that you need to believe in yourself. And for many years, there were mentors that I had, even for me, right? I've had mentors that believed in me before I believed in myself. And I'm here to tell you that I believe in you, even if you don't believe in yourself yet. And the reason why I believe in you is because I believe in me, right? I believe in you because I believe in me. I know where I came from. I know the trials and tribulations that I overcame. I know the struggles. I know the depressing moments that I had to go through to get to this point of success. I know the ups and downs that I had to experience. And what I can share with you is that it gets better. The journey is worth it. But if you're not around people who are empowering you, if you're not around people who are supporting you, who believe in you, then you got to get around some new people. You got to get around some new people that give you life instead of drain the energy away from you. So that's very, very important key to success. It doesn't matter what business you're in. But most likely you're watching this video if you're in Mary Kay. If you're a Mary Kay independent beauty consultant, most likely you have this video, you're watching this video. But is that the only thing I want to talk about in this video? No, it's not, right? I want to talk a little bit about what I've been up to, what I've been creating. So you probably know that I've created a training platform called the YouTuber Celebrity Pro. The YouTuber Celebrity Pro. I don't know if I'm going to change the name soon. I might change the name. Who knows? I don't know. It depends on how YouTube feels about that name, because I know some companies sometimes feel a way. Let me just move around a little bit. It's a little dark over there in that section. Try to get some nice light here, but with a nice background. But yeah, so, I might change the name, but who knows? I may not change the name. So at this point, the training product is called YouTuber Celebrity Pro. And you ask, why is that such an important product for your success? Well, the reason is because, personally, this is in my opinion, I feel that all the top income producers, all the people making the most money, creating the most success stories, having the most impact on people in the world are people who do video marketing, people who do a lot of videos, talking about their message, sharing their vision, sharing their dreams, sharing their goals. And there's a reason why when you do your videos, there's a reason why it increases your sales and it increases your success. Because when people are doing videos, if you're an entrepreneur and you're doing videos, what happens is people start to get to know, like, and trust you. So that's the importance of video marketing. People get to know, like, and trust you. It's much easier to build rapport that way, as opposed to just, expecting people to just join a ghost, or expecting people to just join a company or a product that they don't really see, right? That's not tangible. So it increases the trust factor. You know what I'm saying? Video marketing increases the trust factor to a degree beyond your wildest imagination. Like, my first sales that I ever made as my own boss, my first 6 figures that I ever made as my own boss, came from predominantly doing videos, right? Predominantly from speaking a message, from speaking my vision. And you can do the same thing. And that's what I'm teaching, right? I'm teaching network marketers how to speak your vision, how to speak a message that's attractive, to where people come to you seeking to join you in your business, and it's not like you have to fucking, you know, drive around town to McDonald's, Starbucks, the mall, all around town trying to pull teeth, getting people to join you in your business, right? Because that's not really what business is about. Business is about helping. Business is about sharing. Business is about teaching. Business is about caring. Business is about educating. Business is about mentoring. You know what I'm saying? So once I started to do videos, I started to realize that I had a power and a gift within me that I didn't know I even had. You know what I'm saying? Like, you have people out there who want to be incognito because they're fearful of doing videos. You know, they're fearful of what people might think. But don't be fearful. Be yourself. Be yourself in your business. Own your vision. Own your dream. Protect your dream. Protect your vision. Don't be fearful. Be fearless. Because you're going to be surprised how many people you can help. You're going to be surprised how many people you're going to inspire by sharing your story, by sharing your experiences, by sharing your success, by sharing your results, by sharing the amount of people who you help become more beautiful, or the amount of people who you've allowed, to get more Mary Kay products through you. Sharing that stuff is what gets people to realize and to believe in your message and your team. So video marketing is one of the strongest ways to build rapport. And I spoke about this in previous videos, right? Previous video trainings that I sent you, I spoke about the importance of building rapport. If you want to have a long-lasting, flourishing sales business, right? In a sales career in Mary Kay. So that's that. So you literally, YouTube videos, video marketing changed my life completely. It changed my life completely. And I didn't know that literally years and years to come, I would still be earning passive income on things I did years ago. So my question to you, if you're in Mary Kay right now, right? Maybe you're struggling to get sales. Maybe you're struggling to reach the next rank. Maybe you're struggling to hit 6 figures. Maybe you're struggling to quit your job. Maybe you're struggling to spend more time with your family. Maybe you're trying to figure out a way to start earning an extra income with Mary Kay. You already have other businesses. Whatever the situation is, right? Whatever the situation is, I have a question for you. Do you want to make more money doing less work? Do you want to make more money doing less work in your Mary Kay business? You say, John, how the hell can I make more money doing less work in Mary Kay? Well, I'm going to tell you right now. The reason is because once you have gained a certain amount of videos on your YouTube platform or whatever, right? Your website, whatever. Once you use the YouTuber Celebrity Pro training system and you apply that knowledge, once you use that information and apply that knowledge to your YouTube videos, you're going to start seeing that your YouTube videos traffic, the views and the subscribers are going to start increasing more and more and more and more over time. You're going to see that your channel is going to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow with new subscribers, new leads, new people who are interested in getting started or buying a product from Mary Kay through you, right? Okay, so you're going to experience growth, right? Over time, that growth is going to compound. Those viewers, right? The subscribers, your leads is going to compound. And over time, you're going to be able to sell more and more and more products. Because you're going to have more videos out there ranked on the search engines, and more people are going to be able to find your video. More people are going to be able to find your makeup tutorial. More people are going to be able to find your brand, your face, your channel naturally because of the YouTuber Celebrity Pro. So you say, how does that help? Well, you know that you need traffic in order to get leads, and you need leads in order to get sales. So what the YouTuber Celebrity Pro is going to allow you to do is going to allow you to use that information to amass a lot of passive traffic. Meaning that you're going to have the ability to earn traffic even while you're in your sleep. You're going to have the ability to earn traffic even while you're at work. You're going to have the ability to earn traffic no matter what you're doing, 24/7, 365 around the clock. And this is the secret to a very successful marketing and advertisement business, right? If you want to be successful in network marketing, you got to constantly be talking to new people, right? You have to constantly be getting new team members or people to see what you do and how you can help them. This is the way to do it, my friend. This is the way to have nonstop, constant, continuous traffic coming into your funnel, seeing what it is you have to offer, what it is you do, and how you can help people. All right, so video marketing. If you're not doing it, you're missing out. You know, you're missing out on new customers, you're missing out on new sales, you're missing out on new leads, you're missing out on building a big brand. You know, you're missing out on becoming that celebrity in your niche, right? That credible top figure in your niche. Now, of course, the vision of the YouTuber Celebrity Pro is to create multiple celebrity status people in Mary Kay. You know, when I say celebrity status, do I mean like they're on TV and stuff like that? No, you don't have to be on TV. I just mean celebrity status as far as the way that you're producing, the notoriety that you're creating from your Mary Kay business. When I say celebrity status, I mean in the sense of the amount of people who know you, who you are, the amount of people out there who you are impacting. You know, the increase of the amount of people who get to know how to put on makeup or how to use makeup or what's the best makeup to use. You know, this stuff is important. You know, this stuff is important that they see you as the person that can help them become more beautiful, feel more beautiful. You know, that's what Mary Kay is all about. So why not get people in the world to see you, right, as the special person they should come to get and feel more beautiful? I think that's a beautiful thing. No pun intended though, right? But yeah, so that's what the YouTuber Celebrity Pro is gonna allow you to do once you use the training platform. You'll realize over time that once you start being consistent with the training, you're gonna realize that you've created yourself a content engine. A content engine meaning that you have a central place where thousands or even millions of people potentially can find you and do business with you, right? They can find you and listen to what you have to say. They can find you and get value from you. They can find you and learn from you. They can find you and be taught something. They can find you and get a new product that helps them to feel better and look better, right? But they have to find you. They have to find, if they don't see you, if they don't know you exist, if they don't know your product exists, how can people get started with you in your business? How can people say, yup, that makes sense. I love what she's talking about. I love that product. I love her vision. I love her personality. I love the way her hair looks. I love her smile. Let me get started with her and Mary Kay. How can people do that if they're not constantly finding you? So let me tell you something. I want to put you in a position in your business to where people are constantly finding you. Is that a bad deal? Is that a bad deal? Let me know. Please like, share, and comment on this video. So that's what I'm up to, right? I'm pretty much done creating the whole YouTuber Celebrity Pro training product is done. It's officially launched at this point. And you can get access to that in the description of this video, right below. In the description of this video, you can get access to the YouTuber Celebrity Pro. Or you can just get access to the Mary Kay Sales ebook. That's also in the description of this video if you want access to that. The Mary Kay Sales ebook, if you haven't gotten access to that yet, you can get access to that in the description below. But please like, share, and comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with somebody in Mary Kay who you think can benefit. If you feel I shared some valuable information with you in this video, share it with somebody else on your team, on your Mary Kay team. Have them watch it, learn, you know, cool, you know. If it can benefit somebody, I'm happy. So that's what it's about. I wish you the utmost abundance, prosperity, and success in this life. And happiness and joy. That's what I wish upon you right now at this time. I'm claiming happiness, joy, abundance, prosperity for you in this life. This is Jonathan Belcher. I'm going to see you at the top. Peace out.